Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing bread crumb. Today we're doing filet bread. So we start to grind it. We put black pepper, paprika, and comino and salt. And we grind it again. Make all the seasoning they come together. And now we have 2 spoons of mayonnaise, Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese, we have black pepper, garlic, comino, and we have the paprika. And we mix it up. Now we have the onion, the lime, the cilantro, and the pecan. Now we come together, mix up all of it together, and we mix it up. This is good. This recipe is good to go with the filet fish with hamburger. It's good that you make it the first day and you put it up for the second day. It get more nicer because it get really ferment. I recommend that. And they have nice flavor the second day and you'll not regret. So we store it and we store it. Now we have the fish washing with the egg, and you wash it and we put the flour. You press the flour a little bit and you do it again. This is a recommendation to do this 2 times. The last one is with the bread, the crumb bread. So we wash it again and you put the crumb bread. And you make it the bread stick on in the fish and you fry it. So make the bread not separate, the crumb bread not separate the fish. And see how it look, crunchy, nice, juicy, and this kitchen smell really nice. So I make some lettuce salad. I put black pepper, onions, sweet pepper, and salt, and a little spoon of apple vinegar. Always drink your natural juice, and know this good combination with having juice. Thank you.